In a quaint village, the locals whispered about the mysterious ghosts of Oakwood. Every night, eerie sounds echoed through the woods. One evening, curious young Tim and his skeptical friend Lucy decided to investigate. "I bet it's just the wind," Lucy scoffed. As they tiptoed through the trees, a ghostly figure appeared, moaning softly. "Boo," it said, then sneezed. "Sorry, allergies," the ghost apologized, sniffling. Tim and Lucy burst into laughter. "Even ghosts have hay fever," Tim chuckled. The ghost, now embarrassed, vanished into the night, leaving the friends giggling all the way home.